about Caden is his great, big, humongous smile. He has a big one. Can you show everybody your smile? Probably at the end, so be ready when he takes us down. You'll see his great smile. Caden has been fun because he likes to be able to do everything right, sometimes before he even tries. And so it's been so fun to see him when we work on something and then he gets it right and he is so happy and feels that accomplishment. It's been fun to see him progress these years. So here is Caden.
Hello, my name is Caden Maker. The name of my song is The Cat and the Mouse. The reason I named this is because they are the characters in my story. If you listen closely, you will hear the sneaky cat and the mouse, and the cat getting hit on top of his head with a frying pan and calm down.
All right, Caden.
Caden, we need a bow because we want to see your smile.